Welcome to ITS 129 in week 12. For week 12, we do project number 2. Now, project number 2 is really a review of all the SQL statements that you've done so far. So I'm going to do a few with you and, to see if you can do it, right? And then you do the rest. So, I want to do 1, 2, and 3, and then maybe 6. And then I think you can do the rest. Yeah. So let's take a look at this. Question number 1 says, let's go ahead and do order num, order date, and the number and the name of the customer to place the order. Okay, so whenever you do that, you always should make sure that you take a look at the relationship here, right? You take a look at the relationship here, right? As well as you take a look at the tables itself and see, what it looks like. Yeah. So let's go ahead and do that first query. So I'm going to do, again, query, close this guy, come to SQL. Okay, so it says over there, it says, do me the order number, the order num, order date, customer num, and then customer name. Okay, and then I said it's from the orders table and from the customer table. Okay, now, you should take a look at that. And again, the join was made from customer num to customer num, right? And they're both in the same table, so you have to make sure that you identify where you're getting this join field from. So I'm just going to say orders. Yeah. And then you should do that with the other fields as well, but it's optional for you as long as the field that is in both tables you have to identify where the table you're getting it from. Then I do a where statement, and I say where I have to identify the join orders that customer num is equal to customer semicolon. Now always check your spelling. Like I make a lot of these errors myself. So check the spelling. It looks good to me. Then I run it. Oh yeah, that looks about right. Yeah, that looks about right. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to SQL View, and I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to paste it inside of my notepad so that I can submit it for my assignment. Now, question number 2 is pretty identical, really. The only difference is that they want to know when the order was placed on October 23rd. So really, for number 2, all I need to do is just add an AND statement, and I'd say order date is equal to, and you have to place it in a format. So if you look at the orders, you see how it's dash, year dash 23. And by the way, you should use this database I have attached with this assignment because the dates are in this order. So dash 10 dash 23, let's go see. So here I put in quote 2007 dash 10 dash 23 end quote semicolon. Order date, see, misspelling, order date. Now that looks about right. So I'm going to go ahead and run it. Oh yeah, everybody's on 23, so that looked like it worked right. So I'm going to take this guy and I'm going to put it on my notepad and submit it here. And it looks about right. So again, I promised that I was going to do number 3 as well. So let's go and do number 3 over here. Now, this one, it says over here, for each order, part num and number order quoted price. Okay, so that's kind of interesting. So I need to make sure that the quoted price is here. So I don't even have to get to the part table. I'm just going to do orders and order line. So let's go ahead and try that. Let's go see. So it says over there, we want the order number, order date, and then it says customer name. Okay, we don't even, it doesn't even ask the customer number, but customer name. And then it says over there, what else do they, oh, quoted price. No, number order. Yeah. Part number says over there, sorry. It says over there, part num. Part num. Part num, comma. What else over there? Oh, number ordered. And then one more quoted. So once again, a good idea to kind of check your spelling of things, right? I always get that wrong. Quoted, number order, part num, order num. The join is made from the part number to the part number, yeah? So that's where the join is made. So I have to go ahead and identify orders and then order line table. And then I have to say where I'm getting it. So I'm just going to say orders. Yeah. Order, number order, those kind of order line where orders, part num is equal to order line, part num. Yeah, semicolon. So where order num, oh, sorry, no, that's wrong. Is that right? Order line, oh, yeah, part num, yeah, order, sorry, order num with the order table. Sorry, I got that wrong. Order num. Got to make sure I change my query. So order num and order num. That looks better. I think so. Let's go see. So I run it. Oh. Yes. This is not important. Order num is important. Sorry, orders. Yeah. Okay, that looks better. And then I got this over here, so I got number order, those kind of things, order date. Yeah, so that looks good to me. Let's go see and make sure that I got that. Order num, order date, part num, order number, and front. Yeah, I got that. So this guy's good. This guy looks good for number 3. Now, number 6 I picked because number 6, again, ask you to do an alias, right? So you have to make sure that you do an alias over here. You must use an alias, okay? Did not place an order on like this. So, really, I can take from a number 2, and I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to go over here and I'm going to paste it over here, yeah? And the question was, find the number and name of each customer, and again, I guess you don't have to put in the order number, order date, I guess. But you want to, I'm going to put it in just so I can see it. Not on October 23rd. So instead of the equal sign over here, I'm just going to put in a not, which is this, not equal to 2000. So as long as it's not on 2017 and pretty much, all of this stuff over here, and I don't have to put in order number, I just can put order date. Yeah, not 23. So let's go run it. As long as it's not on the 23rd, I have it. So again, the orders table got 7 orders. 3 of them were on the 23rd and 4 of them were not. So, by running my query, I say, oh yeah, I must have got it. So that looks good. Yeah, so this is number 6. Yeah. Number 6 over here. And I'm done for this go around. See you the next time.